Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question involves the concepts of circle and parabola. It says, let R be the radius of the circle which touches x-axis at point a, 0, where a is less than 0, and the parabola y square equal to 9x at the point 4, 6, then R is equal to. Now students, we have to find the radius of the circle. Now since the circle is touching the x-axis at the point a, 0 and its radius is r, so I can say that the coordinates of the center of the circle will be a, r. So hence the equation of the circle can be written as x minus a whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square. Now students, circle and parabola are touching each other at the point 4, 6. I am calling the line which is acting as tangent to both of the circle and parabola at the point 4, 6 as the line L. Right? Now since point 4, 6 lies on the circle, so it must satisfy the equation of the circle. So I can write 4 minus a whole square plus 6 minus r whole square equal to r square. Now students, from here I can say 4 minus a whole square equal to r square minus r minus 6 whole square. And this becomes r plus r minus 6, which is 2r minus 6 into r minus r plus 6, which becomes just 6. Now students, since 4 minus a whole square is a positive quantity, so that means the right hand side of this equation, that is 6 times 2r minus 6, must also be positive. So that means 2r minus 6 must be greater than 0. So I can say that r must be greater than 3. Now we will use this fact at later stage. Now students, let's find the equation of the line L. Now L is acting as tangent to the parabola as well. So let's move further. Now students, we know that if the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax, then the equation of the tangent on the parabola at the point x1, y1 is given as y into y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1. So using this equation, I can write equation of line L as 6y equal to 9 upon 2 into x plus 4. Or I can say that y is equal to 3 upon 4 into x plus 4. Or we can say that 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of line L. Now students, this line L is also acting as tangent to the circle. So that means the distance of line L from the center of the circle must be equal to radius. So that means I can say that mod of 3a minus 4r plus 12 whole divided upon square root of 3 square plus 4 square equal to r. I have used the formula to find the perpendicular distance of a point from a straight line. Now from here I get 3a minus 4r plus 12 equal to plus minus 5r. So we get two equations from here. The first one is 3a minus 4r plus 12 equal to 5r. From here we can write this as 3a equal to 9r minus 12, or a equal to 3r minus 4. Now students, earlier I proved that r is greater than 3. Now if r is greater than 3, then 3r minus 4 must be greater than 5, which is a positive quantity. So that means this says that a must be positive, which is wrong. Why? Because it is given to us in the question that a is negative. So that means we will reject this equation. Right? Now we will consider the second case, that is 3a minus 4r plus 12 equal to minus 5r. Now students, in the second case, we have 3a minus 4r plus 12 equal to minus 5r. From here I get 3a equal to minus r minus 12, or a equal to minus r upon 3 minus 4. Now clearly this quantity is negative. That means a is less than 0. And in the question itself, we have been given that a is negative. So that means this equation is accepted. Now students, we go back to the first equation connecting a and r, and that is 4 minus a whole square equal to 6 times 2r minus 6. Now to find the value of r, I will put the value of a in terms of r into this equation. So now it becomes 4 plus r upon 3 plus 4 whole square equal to 6 times 2r minus 6. Now this can further be written as r upon 3 plus 8 whole square equal to 6 times 2r minus 6. Now this equation further becomes r plus 24 whole square equal to 54 times 2r minus 6. Now this further becomes r square plus 48r plus 576 equal to 108 into r minus 324. Now this equation can finally be written as r square minus 60r plus 900 equal to 0. Now students, this is nothing but r minus 30 whole square. And this is equal to 0. So from here we get r equal to 30. And this is the correct answer of the question. Now students, next question I will post in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.